So, and the Lord was pleased with the aroma of the sacrifice. I mean, I know I love me some burnt animal. And said to himself, self, I will never again curse the ground because of the human race, even though everything they think or imagine is bent toward evil from childhood. You know, knowing that I fucking made them in my image, everything about them is evil.
Wait,
What?
so he was ready to scrap the whole thing, like, completely. Then he was like, nah, I'll give Noah a chance, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then Noah burned some shit, some animals, burnt some animals, and God's like,
That shit smells good.
That shit smells good. I'm never gonna kill everybody again.
No, he's never gonna destroy the earth again.
Oh, okay.
He didn't say anything about the people on it.